totally just woke up right now. Like I left my camera recording for the whole night just so I can catch this genuine moment. I'm so trustful. Tea is the right way to start your day. Well, there is also coffee, but drugs are not allowed in this apartment. So today is kind of an eventful day. I have to go out with my friends. But to understand why I'm going out, you need to hear a story to understand the context. So my friend Manas, who I usually take photos of, wanted to start photography and was looking for a camera. But at the same time of thinking of buying a camera, his phone also got wrecked and he also had to buy a phone. But as he was an Apple fanboy, he rejected my advice to go for a cheaper Android phone and invest the rest of the money to buy a camera. So instead of that tactic, I said just get an iPhone 8 Plus because it has amazing video capabilities and also it takes very good photos. So I thought it would suffice for a camera for him for a while, till the point he can get an actual camera. So yesterday I called him and I set up a shoot so that we can test out the video and the photo capabilities of iPhone 8 Plus. So I'll try to create some cinematic B-roll footage with it and I'll try to take some amazing photos and edit them too. That's what's going to happen today, but the problem is I have to go out at 4:30. There's still a lot of time till the clock will reach 4:30 and I have to decide what I have to do to entertain myself for the day. Maybe I can try to play CSGO for a while. Yes, I play CSGO on a Mac. People who want to strangle me to death right now, raise your hand. But maybe if I don't feel like gaming, I can always read Harry Potter for a while. I know I'm kind of late to the Harry Potter bandwagon and I've already watched the movies 100 times. But I'm really loving the books right now, so I can read books. Or maybe I can be a responsible person and clean my whole room. Nah, I'll just do the combination of every activity I said before. So I'm ready to leave. Kind of like I have to still pack up my gear and my friend who has to pick me up is already here, so I hope he doesn't find out that I'm not ready even though I've said that I am ready. I know he won't be that mad at me by being a couple minutes late. I'm such a nice person. Who can be mad at me? I'm such a nice person. Okay, so enough bullshit. I'll try to pack my stuff and leave. Let's go.
Actually sorry नहीं होता. Even if you are fired from a job, listen तुझे काम नहीं मिलना. No sorry. Hello, कल से मत आना. Check the jar. Are you recording?
I'm kind of.
Kind of नहीं मतलब. Even if you're doing that, just put it on.
Oh, you are recording. Kind of.
What kind of? Kind of.
वाइड एंगल में अजीब दिख रहा है तेरा फोन.
मेरा फोन
नहीं, तेरा फेस वाइड एंगल में डिस्टॉर्ट हो जाता है ना.
you come for a shoot,
198.
but then these
Dude,
people
buy
start
8
getting
numbers.
hungry.
Well, that was a fail.
Still it worked out.
But it's, yeah, it's not. I hope मुझे अच्छी shooting मिल जाए. People always ask me, how do you shoot yourself? I say, I just get lucky.
कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं मतलब कैमरा चालू होते हैं अलग अलग टाइप का एंथुसियाज्म आ जाता है उनमें और इट क्लियरली शोज ऑन स्क्रीन ऐसे. Hey guys, welcome back to Visit Cinematics YouTube channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment and a share on this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon now for daily updates.
करना है विभू
नहीं.
विभू करेगा.
I'll never do that in my
ना
life.
तो नॉर्मल कुछ करना है
Nothing.
बोल दे
Dude, why can't just people start the video?
आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग
Just start the video. ये सब बोलने की क्या जरूरत है? तुम बोलोगे मतलब मैं करूँगा. थैंक यू बोलने के लिए. मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था कि वो बटन होता है, एक लाल बटन होता है.
I think this is turning into a rant rather than an iPhone thing.